Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Toyota RAV4 LE. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in magnetic gray metallic. And under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. You'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include your roof rails, your lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control, and your heated mirrors for a great mix of function and capability. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this RAV has to offer. Alright, so helping us in, we have our key fob. We got the lock and unlock buttons right there with our remote start as well. So we can press the unlock button once for the driver's side door, twice for all four. You see we do have our signal light on our mirror as well. So open right up. And we can check out the back seat. So right back here we do have that reclining back seat. And then we have our center console with some cup holders. Lots of comfort back here. We'll hop in the front. Check out our door panel. We have all 4 window buttons, the lock and unlock and window lock with some space just underneath. And then to the left of our steering wheel, we've got the mirror adjusters. We got some dimmer switch, and then we have our lane departure alert system right there with our all-wheel drive lock as well. And then we have our seat adjusters just to the left of our driver's seat. We'll hop in, sit down, and look through a few more pieces. Okay, we'll just wait for the beeping to stop and then we will check some things out. We have our nice greeting. So we have 24,368 kilometers on here, so lots of life left. The left hand side, we have our volume buttons. We have the channel selector. We've got the hands-free calling mode selector with voice recognition. On the right hand side, we're going to be using that to navigate our multi-information display. Just looking at a few of the different readouts we can get. All right, and then here's our dynamic radar cruise control button with our cruise control right behind. Looking at our entertainment system, we've got the AM, FM, USB, CD, Bluetooth, and auxiliary. We've got our car button that allows us to look at our consumption rates, trip information. We've got our hands-free calling, Bluetooth for our phone, CD player as well. Just below that, we've got our nice and easy to use climate system operated by dials. Buttons in the center indicate our defrost, air conditioning, and our inner circulation. Just below that, we've got our eco mode and sport mode, changing the way that we drive. We also have our high and low settings for the driver and passenger seat for our heated seats. Rain sensing windshield wipers, USB, auxiliary, and 12-volt DC outlet with some space underneath there for a device, a wallet, or anything you might need to pop there. A little room for a cup or anything you might need to pop in with, an adjustable piece right there. Then we have our sport mode as well if we need a little bit of extra control over our vehicle with another cup holder. And here we have our first layer and second layer of our center console. A little further down, we've got our nice little spot for quick access. And then just underneath, we've got our glove box for our user manual and anything we might need to pop in there. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. Before we hop into the cargo area of our RAV4, a few things to show you. We do have that shark fin antenna, and then we've got our roof rails as well. We've got our rear window wiper with the inlaid defrost in the back window. So we also have our backup camera just underneath the T emblem, and we will open right up. Check out our cargo space, and you can see that we have our all-weather mats back here, especially for when we lay them right down. If we have some skis, some snowboards, anything we might need to pop in, those 60/40 splitting seats do come in handy. And we also have our privacy screen. All we have to do, pull it out like that, and it is locked in place. Going to be able to hide whatever we have back here from prying eyes. We've got some tie down points as well, just right there and right there in case. And then underneath, we've got our spare tire and our jack and all those tools we'll need to change if that opportunity comes up. So we'll close up. Let's take a last look at our 2017 Toyota RAV4 LE. Some other features included your heated front seats, your backup camera, and your 60/40 split seats for all of your convenience needs. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you. Just coming in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.